Hey, welcome back to the Roadside Rescue YouTube channel. I'm Ernest, and we're here with some road trip rescue, visiting family in Tennessee, and they have a few projects to work on. This is my dad's 78 Jeep CJ, I believe. And, oh, see if I can get it open. And it's been 350 big block swapped, so pretty cool little dude. Puts out a lot of power, relatively speaking, for what the Jeep was built for. So it blew through the transfer case or transmission, we're not really sure. So we've got a new old transmission for it, which may or may not work, but we're gonna go ahead and pull the other transmission and see if it'll work, or just take the transfer case off and put it on that old transmission if gears are fine or whatever. So we'll leave that up to my dad to decide, but we're gonna go ahead and get the transmission pulled for him. Shouldn't be too big of a deal. There's a lot of room under there. It's got a 6-inch lift, maybe 4-inch. Can't tell, but it's raised up, so we'll have some room. And yeah, that's it. We'll get under there and look at that transmission. All right, we're just about ready to pull this transmission. We had to take the gear shifter out up here, take a few connections loose. That way this wasn't just sticking up. It wouldn't have come out that hole. Being an old Jeep, there was just parts riveted together. And so we had to undo those rivets to get that little homemade pan out of the way there. We've got this, I believe this is the adapter for the 350. I could be wrong, this could just be part of the transmission, but I believe this is probably the adapter right here for the transmission. So anyways, we're just going to take this out with the adapter, and we're going to leave the bell housing behind. All we've got to do pretty much is we're undoing the four-wheel drive axle, or the front wheel drive axle, and then we're going to undo the transmission mount, and then we'll slide this back up out of the way and get that other one looked at and see what we're going to do in regards to that. So just a little bit of a waiting game at this point. So all right, so we got the transmission out. We just got it set over here with the other transmission. They're not exactly the same. Transfer case may work, so we're just gonna pass that information along. My dad's gonna come look at them and figure out what he wants to do. So that's it. She's torn out. That's probably all this video will be for now. So thanks for watching. Consider subscribing.